Okay, so this video is a demonstration of what assignment number 2 should look like whenever it is completed correctly. So hopefully you've already taken a look at your checklist, which has 9 items on it, and we'll review them real quick, then we'll look at the finished project. So I asked you to create a new project in Scratch, and you'll do that by going to Scratch and clicking the Create button, just like we did for our assignment last week. Just like last week, we're going to title the project with our first name and our last name, but we're going to include a number 2 after it. So you guys can see up here in my little tab up here, you can see my project is named Katie Delp 2. All right, so make sure that it has your first name, last name, number 2. What I asked you to do is I gave you some freedom to pick how you wanted your project to look. So you can delete Scratchcat and you can add any sprite you would like from the Scratch library. If you guys look at my assignment, I decided to add a basketball as my sprite. Okay, and then next I asked you to add any backdrop you would like from the Scratch library. And since I picked a basketball, I chose a basketball court backdrop here. Okay, so now that you have that set up, the rest of the assignment is all about getting your sprite to move, writing scripts to get your sprite to move. So what I asked was to make your sprite go to the center of the stage when the green flag is clicked, to make your sprite move up when the up arrow key is pressed and down when the down arrow key is pressed. Make it go right when you hit the right arrow and make it go left when you hit the left arrow. So basically what we're doing is we're creating controls. And this is a really cool skill to learn this week because this is really, the foundation of a video game, giving a player controls over, what's happening in a virtual environment. So as you guys can see here, let's test it all out. And I have an on-screen keyboard so you can see me hitting the keys. So the first thing I said is I want the basketball to go to the center of the stage when the green flag is clicked. So let's go up here and click the green flag. And it goes to the center of the stage. That's good. All right, so the other instructions were all about using my arrow keys, the right, left, up, and down arrow keys. So the ball should move in whatever direction I indicate with my arrow keys. So if I hit right, you'll see that the ball is moving to the right. If I hit left, the ball is moving to the left. If I hit my up arrow, the ball moves up. And if I hit the down arrow, the ball moves down. Okay, and that is it for assignment number 2 this week. You're just using your event hat blocks and your motion stack blocks we learned about this week to make a sprite on your stage move with your controls. So feel free to reach out if you have questions, but once you're done with this, remember you can click your orange share button and go ahead and copy your link, add it to this assignment before turning it in.